Just because you give this medication one time does not mean it is enough to save a life. So here's 30 seconds about cells and Narcan. Let's go. This is our cell, and cells have a cell wall or a cell membrane. All cells have receptors on them. So in this example, if you were to take morphine, morphine is going to hit the 3 types of receptors, and it's going to bind to these receptor sites and stick. It's now changing the physical activity of this cell. So now it's actually suppressing our central nervous system, which is why we get so tired. So too much morphine is going to make us overly tired and cause respiratory depression. And that is where Narcan comes in. So when we give this up the nose, the mucous membranes in the nostril absorb it. And the thing about Narcan is that the receptors are actually stronger than the morphine. So they're going to kick off the morphine and they're going to bind to the receptor. So here's where it gets tricky and why more than one dose might be necessary. So our Narcan is going to last us 30 to 90 minutes, depending on how much. But if we have something in our system, such as a fentanyl, we actually then will have more opioids in our system than we do for the Narcan. And when the Narcan starts to wear off, our opioids are going to attach back onto these receptors. And that is why it is important to give maybe another round. Some of the drugs out there are so potent that we're seeing doses 3 to 6 times, and they're still not bringing people out of it. So just because you give one dose of Narcan does not mean you're in the clear. It means you need to call 911 and get them more help.